So a couple of tricks to when you're making a potato salad, and the same applies to a rice salad, is adding the dressing, whether that be an aioli, a mayonnaise or vinaigrette, when the potatoes or the rice is warm. The other thing is not washing the potatoes or the rice after cooking. So drain the potatoes, drain the rice, and then add the dressings. Now, a good potato to use for salad is a waxy variety. So there's actually three varieties, so they say, in potatoes. There's waxy, there's floury, and then there's an all-purpose. Now, when you're applying a wet method of cooking, as we're boiling, you want a waxy variety of the potato. What that means is, if I used a floury potato, it will break up in the water. And the floury varieties that are good for dry methods of cooking, like roasting or frying, you'd use a dry variety. Anyway, so don't overcook the potatoes and use a waxy variety. So first things first, I'm just going to slice up the spring onion. So potatoes are cooked. Now I'm going to let them cool down for a couple of minutes, and again, I'm not going to wash them with any water, where we want to keep the natural flavours in the potato. And what I'm doing is I'm just adding pungent flavours, salt and onion, which will just cut through the mayonnaise that's with the potato, just add a bit of flavour. So many different things you can add to a potato salad, so many. I'm using this salad because on my menu in a couple of weeks' time on Family Kitchen with Mark, food deliveries, we're doing a rich beef stew with bread dumplings, and I want something that's just going to go nicely with that stew and dumplings. So we've got this nice warm potato salad. Now we'll save those pieces of onion for the top. I'm just going to strip, slice. Awesome. Not overcooked, holding their shape. Warm, but I'm holding in my hand, so not too hot. They've just cooled down for a couple of minutes. So they're in pieces. I'm just going to slice them into smaller pieces for the salad, and I'm doing that in the bowl. Mustard. I'm using the Dijon mustard. Then we're going to use some seeds, and you can use any seeds you like. I've just got some poppy seeds, some sunflower seeds. Yep. Now, no need to season at this stage because I've seasoned the potatoes as I've cooked them. I add the aioli and mix it before adding the spring onion and the olives, because it's going to cool that down. So this is the consistency we have. Gorgeous. Right, now for the rest. Spring onion, olives, and the olives are going to add a bit of seasoning as well because they're in a brine. So let's not season the salad quite yet. Let's serve this one up. So nice and easy, nice and quick. So what I've always loved about cooking is that you can take an average dish like a potato salad and turn it into something quite amazing. Now I'm going to a 50th birthday party this afternoon, and imagine me turning up, you know, with the salad looking so nice, and it's got so many flavours, but more importantly, it's quick and easy, you know. So if you haven't subscribed already, press the red subscribe button, and that will take you through to any future videos. You're not going to miss any if you press that notification bell. I'll see you in the next video.